Read&Write is a set of literacy software that makes the web, documents, and files more accessible, anytime, anyplace, and on any platform or device. From reading on-screen text aloud to researching and checking written work, Read&Write makes lots of everyday tasks easier. Today, we'll see how this program has been used by others and can help you too. Mallory has a research paper she has to do for her comp class. Her teacher has asked her to create 20 note cards before her next class. She uses the fact folder in the Read&Write program to collect facts for her research. She highlights and changes the name of the title, changes the name of the author, and then gives a short description of what the fact is about. Mallory can then review her facts and export them into a Word document, choosing the format she needs for her bibliography, and make the note cards she needs for class. Jeremy sometimes struggles whenever he writes his papers for class. Spelling has never been his strong suit, and he sometimes gets his words confused and uses the wrong word. His professor suggested he use the Read&Write program available in the Learning Center. Jeremy uses the predictive text while typing his essay to help. When he's finished typing, he uses the homophone checker. The homophone checker highlights any words that can be commonly confused or misused. The last step Jeremy takes is to use the Read&Write Read Aloud function, which allows him to hear his essay to help catch any other mistakes he made.
When the conch is first found and blown, it brings everyone together. Ralph found his breath and blew a series of short blasts. Piggy exclaimed, "There's one."
But the program shouldn't be limited for just comp classes. It can also be used for Jenny, James, and Sarah all take biology class together. Their assignment is to read an online article on genetics and heredity and then take notes over the content. The teacher also asked the class to find 10 vocabulary words from that article and write definitions for each word. Jenny first uses the play button to use the Read Aloud function. She then clicks on the Study Skills tab on the Read&Write program to create a vocabulary list. She adds each word to the vocabulary list. When she's finished collecting vocabulary words, she clicks OK, and the program creates a list with definitions and symbols from the pictured dictionary. Ginny can then print this list and add her own notes. James decides to use the Study Skills tab in Read&Write to highlight important information as he reads the article. Read&Write allows James to highlight in different colors so he can separate the information by topic if he wants to. James can then use the program to collect his highlights and print off his notes. Sarah finds that reading articles comes easier when she can read it in her native language, so she uses the translator feature on the Research Features tab to be able to read the text easily. Hector is preparing to give his first informative speech for his public speaking class. His teacher has told him that he needs to turn in an outline of his speech on the day of his presentation. He has done all of his research. Hector uses the fact mapper on the Read and Write program to help him organize his thoughts. The program then converts his word map into outline form with a few simple steps. Clearly, there are many ways this program can be used. So what will you use Read and Write for? Millions of students in schools and higher education rely on Read and Write to help with reading, writing assignments, and online research. All it takes is a simple search on your Start menu, or clicking the Read and Write icon on your desktop. Don't know how to use the feature? No problem. Simply search the video tutorials to find out how to use these features and more. Visit the Rimmer Learning Resource Center to start using this amazing program today, or visit Accessibility Services to download the program onto your own personal device.